Hey guys, it's Megan with Procida Tile. Today I'm talking about the top 3 reasons why you would pick porcelain wood look over a real wood. Reason 1 would be stain resistance. If you're a cook like I am, I love cooking a big pot of sauce on Sunday. Red sauce can easily stain. I get it on my clothes all the time. If it spills on porcelain, super easy to clean. You can take a little rag, whatever. You could use Dawn dish soap, clean it right up, Swiffer. You can use whatever you want to clean. Reason 2 would be the scratch resistance. Sometimes I even take a key to show my clients that you could literally rub the key against the tile and it's not going to scratch. If you have pets, dogs, animal lover here, you don't have to worry about the porcelain tile scratching. Versus real wood, you'd have to buffer that probably every year. Reason 3, it's waterproof. Going back to having animals, let's say your doggy has an accident. You don't have to worry about it warping like real wood. If you spill a whole bottle of water, whatever it is, you don't have to worry so much about cleaning it up so fast because porcelain's waterproof and real wood could possibly warp. So come on down and check out all of our wood look selections that we have here, and we'd be happy to guide you through and find the perfect color for you.